Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video, and today I'll be taking apart an old treadmill and I'll be making a variable DC power supply out of it. So, here we go. Alright, so this is under the hood of the treadmill. So we have this 2.75 horsepower at 130 volts DC and 2 horsepower at 100 volts. So what my plan is to take out this circuit board and this transformer, and I'll probably cut it right at these wires because these go up to our control board. So if I can do that, I should be able to save it, I guess, and use it as a variable DC power supply. Okay, so now I finished taking all these parts out of the treadmill. So right here, this looks like our DC power supply. So I'm going to have to look at this wiring diagram that was in the treadmill, try and put that back together. And right here we have our treadmill DC motor. I'm not really too sure what I'll do with this. Maybe make some sort of generator out of it, maybe. And here, I don't know what this is called, but basically what it looks like, this is the elevation device in the treadmill. So it looks like we have a motor right here, and that rotational movement goes to like a linear actuator, I guess we can call that. So pretty much this will go up and down. So I think we can do something with that, but... Oh, and I was able to salvage the power cord too. So we're going to put that back together too. So you'll see. Alright, so now I have something set up, not exactly a speed controller, but I just want to prove that this, will prove to myself that this concept can work. I've seen videos of people doing it and I want to try it. So right now I have the original controller up to the head of the treadmill, if that makes sense, where you dial in the speed. And I have the original speed controller right here. So I'm still trying to figure out how to change the speed just from here, but basically I try to manipulate the speed controller into this, but what I want to do is in between this hot wire, have the speed to the max so we get the most amount of DC current flowing through. And then if we put up a resistor switch in this wire, this will give us a variable voltage of DC current, but I thought this would be cool just to show you. So I'm just gonna start it up, then you'll see the speed change. So this is at a very low setting. Now we're gonna crank it up a bit. Right there, that's going pretty fast. Now we're going to stop it. And it will come to a halt soon. Yeah, that's pretty much that. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe right here. And I'll have another video right here.